And our next caller is Anthony from Sydney. Anthony, how can we help you?
Hello there. I've got a question about the Campbelltown Macarthur area, and in particular, I started looking at Rose Meadow a couple of 6 weeks ago, and just been a bit slow getting my finance organised, and finally I've got it organised, and for a pre-approval. I noticed on the website that there wasn't much for sale in Rose Meadow, but there was quite a bit in St Helens, and so I wanted to ask the panel, first of all, whether that area, was still, reasonable value for long-term investing, and whether there is a difference in their opinion between, say, Rose Meadow and St Helens.
Right. Now, just a quick question before we lose you.
Yes.
Why are you choosing that area?
I'm a client of Destiny Financial Services.
Oh, fantastic.
And so it's sort of, that area is found its way into a list somewhere, I think, at one of our meetings on that.
Okay, and they are quality lists, those lists. So, okay, so that's an area. And is this your first investment property, Anthony?
It's my third one.
Your third, yes. Okay. And can I just ask one question, one more? Where are your other properties?
St Clair,
yes,
in Western Sydney, and Seaford Meadows, just
in South Australia. Okay, yes. And how are they performing for you?
St Clair, strong after 12 months.
Yes.
And it's above where I bought it for, and Seaford Meadows is apparently up as well. Rent has gone sideways the entire 2.5 years I've owned it.
Well, I think it's still got some time down there, I think, to do a little bit more for you. Okay, I'm going to go to the panel and see what they think about the areas you're looking at. So Rose Meadow and St Helens, and obviously Campbelltown, Macarthur area. I'll go to you first, Rob.
Well, Anthony, you've got, look, that area, and especially that Campbelltown area, we've seen some good growth. There's a lot of development happening there as well. Obviously, with the new infrastructure that's going all the way through there. I mean, and areas like you've already experienced, like St Clair, that you've seen good growth through. I can share with you, I've recently, Leanne and I recently invested in St Mary's. So look, it is a good area, and we've seen good growth. I think with the areas that you're looking at now, again, it's like, first things first, do your homework, have a look at what's available. The stock level is down at the moment throughout Sydney. I mean, it's the winter months. Traditionally, it's always down, but it's probably a good 10 to 20% lower than where it was last year. There'll be a lot more for you to choose from in the spring market, so there'll be a lot more stock that will come on. And you've done the right thing by getting your pre-approvals, and obviously you followed the checklist that Margaret has out of Destiny, and you've done a good job there. So you've got your pre-approvals, you're sort of ready to go, but really invest time into the research about where you want to go. So go onto the websites, have a look at what's available, get your homework done through there, and I don't think you can go wrong in those areas. Keep to a budget. I'm finding the lower end of that market has crept up, so the prices have come up. But if you can keep to what I call the bread and butter price range there, the bottom end of that, then there's always some upsize and scale to it. So that would be my thoughts.